Do you dream of traveling the world, but find yourself discouraged by the cost of travel? Well, what if we told you that you can travel the world with less money? In this video, we'll show you how to travel the world on a budget. From planning and booking to saving money on accommodation and transportation, we've got some exciting 10 tips that will help you travel and explore the world without breaking the bank. 1. Plan ahead. One of the best ways to save money on travel is to plan ahead. Research your destination and find out when the best time to visit is. Consider traveling during the shoulder season when prices are lower. Use travel apps like Skyscanner or Hopper to find the cheapest flights. 2. Use public transportation. One of the easiest ways to save money on travel is to use public transportation. Instead of taking a taxi or Uber, use the subway or bus system. This is not only cheaper but also a great way to experience the local culture. Many cities also offer bike-sharing programs, which are a fun and eco-friendly way to get around. 3. Stay in hostels or Airbnb. Accommodation can be one of the biggest expenses when traveling. Instead of staying in expensive hotels, consider staying in hostels or Airbnb. Hostels are not only cheaper but also offer a great opportunity to meet other travelers. Airbnb is also a great option as it allows you to stay in a local's home and save money on food by cooking your meals. 4. Eat like a local. One of the best things about traveling is trying new foods. However, eating out can be expensive. Instead of eating at expensive restaurants, try local street food or visit the local markets. This is not only cheaper but also a great way to experience the local culture. 5. Travel slowly. Traveling slowly is not only cheaper but also allows you to experience the local culture in depth. Instead of trying to see everything in one go, stay in one place for a longer time and explore the surrounding areas. This not only saves money on transportation but also allows you to immerse yourself in the local culture. 6. Volunteer or work. Many countries offer to volunteer or work programs for travelers. These programs not only allow you to save money on accommodation and food but also give you the opportunity to give back to the community. Websites like Workaway and Woof connect travelers with hosts who offer volunteer opportunities in exchange for food and accommodation. 7. Use travel rewards programs. If you have a credit card, you may be able to take advantage of travel rewards programs. These programs offer points or miles for every dollar you spend, which can be redeemed for flights or hotel stays. Some credit cards also offer sign-up bonuses, which can be worth hundreds of dollars in travel credits. 8. Take advantage of free activities. Many cities offer free activities and attractions. Research your destination and find out if there are any free museums, parks, or events that you can attend. This is a great way to experience the local culture without spending any money. 9. Negotiate prices. In some countries, it's common to negotiate prices for goods and services. Don't be afraid to negotiate with vendors or tour operators to get a better price. You may be surprised at how much money you can save by bargaining. 10. Use a travel budget app. Finally, use a travel budget app to keep track of your expenses. Apps like Trail Wallet or Travel Spend allow you to input your expenses and track your spending in real time. This helps you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Traveling the world with less money may seem impossible, but it's not. By planning ahead, using public transportation, staying in hostels or Airbnb, eating like a local, traveling slowly, and volunteering or working, you can travel and explore the world without breaking the bank. Traveling on a budget requires a bit of research and planning, but it's worth it. So pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.